Hello, this is Patrick White from AA Commodities and Investments from Spencer, Iowa with your weekly market recap video. It's Sunday night, June 16th here at 9:27 p.m. I'm going to go ahead and read you the disclaimer. Just remember that everything in this video is not a direct trade recommendation. It is just my opinion. If you would like to read the full disclaimer, please pause the video now. All right, so as you can see here, we've gapped up on the overnight. Corn's up, July corn's up 9.5 at 462.5. July soybeans are up 12 at 908 3/4, and July Chicago wheat is up 4 3/4 at 543 1/4. We've got Kansas City wheat up nearly 6. So, just over the weekend we had some wet weather, and there's a big storm building between Oklahoma and Ohio. I'll go ahead and show you the future track here. It's going to build all night, and essentially Monday morning it'll be in Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. As of last crop progress report, Ohio was 50% planted for corn, Indiana 67%, and Illinois 73%. And that was as of June 10th. So, there's still a lot of crop to plant there, and we'll get an update of that in the crop progress on Monday. And along those same lines, Ohio for soybeans here, Ohio was 32% planted as of last week, 42% for Indiana, and 49% for Illinois. So, it is just tough out there, and, we'll see. That's what the market, we'll see how much they price in this damage here, and that's what the market's doing tonight, being higher and having this higher run. So we've got a pretty significant bull run here in the grain, so it's, been nice to see. So overnight here we had a gap up in July corn, and we opened at 458 1/4. And really we've seen some resistance up at 465, and if we break 465, we should go to 475. With that being said, though, we're probably we're a couple weeks away from the expiration of the July contract. So, we'll see what happens there. But, yeah, 465, 475 are the two areas of resistance. As far as support goes, the major support level, if this were to sell off hard, is the 438, 440 breakout level. Other than that, there's 455, 450. Just with this being a supply rally, they really don't sell off a whole lot to let you in long, most likely. But, yeah, so those are the support points there. July soybeans, you're really just kind of interesting here tonight. We gapped up above the $9 psychological level, and we're just seeing some resistance here at 910. They're currently up 12 1/4 at 909 even, and they're also fighting this blue line, this 200 period moving average. So if they get above that, they should go up and test the 923 to 925 level. And if they break above there, they'll probably go to 940, 950. So, the soybean market, like I said, just with the wet weather and things, they're pricing in higher soybeans. Here's a July Chicago wheat chart. As you can see here, we had some resistance up here at 540, and that was pretty significant highs made in December and January. We've broken above that, and now we're testing this high made in the middle of December at 550. If we were to break above there, we'd probably be going to 565. So, just a couple things to look at here, and also as well, we are in advantage alert territory. This is a new advantage alert for soybeans. And so as you can see, the advantage indicator has come out, and we're above the 1.75 level there. As you can see, it's above that green line. So, cash sales are recommended on soybeans now again. With that being said, just with the weather events and things, as long as it stays wet, it should continue to rally. And the same story on the corn market. This is going to be our fourth day in a row of this extended corn advantage alert here. So, we're well above the 175 mark. This is just a very strong rally. This is about the strongest rally that you can have. So, with that being said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to call the office here, 712-262-7606. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.